Welcome to Carmen's DIY Garage, or welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should. I just passed 4,000 subscribers. I really appreciate everybody's support of the channel, and I look forward to continuing to grow it as I continue to do more work here in the garage and around the house. Unfortunately, this video today, I know I've been posting videos about every 2 weeks or so for at least the last year. I started out doing one video a week, or a video every week, when I was working on the Jeep TJ, but now down to a video every other week. Unfortunately, I'm probably going to be taking a couple of months break from that. First of all, got the arm in the sling. I had to have rotator cuff surgery, and that pretty much takes away my ability to really do a lot of wrenching, at least until I get that rehab done. Hopefully sooner than later, of course. I also got some work stuff going on that's pretty intense, and then some summer vacation plans coming up. So I apologize if the videos aren't coming as quickly over the course of the summer. I've not forgotten about it. It's just something I'm not going to be able to get to all the time right away. So I appreciate your patience. Hit the notification bell on the channel, subscribe to the channel. You'll see the videos when they start coming through again. And other than that, I, again, just wanted to say thank you to everybody that has supported the channel since the fall of 2020 when I got the Jeep TJ, and then I started putting the content on this channel in February of 2021. I've almost got 200 videos posted to the channel since that time. And again, hopefully the videos are helpful, maybe a little entertaining. I'm kind of skeptical about that, but I do like to show my mistakes so that folks can learn from them, and the successes too, so that we can all be sharing that together too. And maybe some of this content is something that I haven't found online myself when I was looking on how to do these repairs. So hopefully, again, the videos are helpful and useful. But that's the status update for right now. No wrenching in this video, but I hope to have more videos coming your way soon. And thanks again for your support. And if nothing else, hit a thumbs up on this video or any other videos on the channel. That helps keep the page going, and it means a lot to me. So thanks again. Y'all take care, and we'll see you soon.